What have I done here? Jesus Christ. Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Jamie and today we're going to be changing brake pads on my 2011 Ford Fiesta. Now I've never changed brake pads before in my life, so this is going to be my first time. So let's just jump straight into it. Already we're not off to a good start because I cannot find the pole for this. So I might have to use this one. Or what I might have to do is just use this, like the end of this. That seems to work. Got this piece of wood as a chock. That's the only thing I've really got as a chock, so I'm just going to use that. Uh-oh. What a fucking idiot. Alright, that's not the right fitment. False alarm if on this. Now, I have got no idea where to jack this up. Maybe it might be easier to use that other one. Right about there. Right then. Let's hope for the best. Alright, that's quite high up off there now. Let's find somewhere for an axle stand. What if we put it like that? Alright, we'll try it like that. Alright, so that's fully on the jack. Oh, don't know why I touched that. Oh my god. So I've just tried to get that off and it's actually bent this thing. Look at it. Completely bent. So that's absolutely fucked. What the f***? Look how close that is into the wheel now. Out. There we go. Look how tight that is. Oh, there we go. There we go, heard it crack. So the car's now jacked up. Give it a little push. And that is as solid as a rock. I've just been speaking with my stepdad because I couldn't get them wheel nuts off because they were just being absolutely stubborn. So he was talking me through, and apparently I need some grease for the pins that go back and forth, because apparently that is, my brakes are squeaking, so apparently that's what's making them squeak, because they're not releasing. So I said, should I change them anyway? And he said, yeah, just change them, you know they've been done then. It looks like no one's put any copper grease back on the plate, he was saying, because it's all rusty. So we've got the emery paper, and we've also got the grease. That would be the wrong size. Oh, there we go. That's two. 1, 2. Bosh. Now on first impressions, I don't think this is going to be strong enough to hold this up. That could be wrong. Go that way first.
Yeah, just a millimetre that way, just to crack some of the rust. There you go, try it the other way now.
Oh, there we go. That one's cracked. Right then, this one's tight to get into. Oh, that one's not too bad, that one's alright.
Just pay attention to which way around they go, and which goes top and which goes bottom, and what the orientation is on them.
Okay.
Because chances are when you remove the pads, they'll fall out.
Okay.
You need to know which way they go in and out so you can put them back in the right way.
Alright, that's the inside. There's no copper slip on them at all.
No good now. Yeah.
Right then.
I hit it in the centre, in between the wheel studs. Try and bring it up now.
Oh yeah.
That's it. That's going to be stuck on as well. There you go. Right, now that hub that you've recovered now, that you've revealed.
This.
See that hub there?
Yeah.
That you're spinning?
Yeah.
I'd give that a good soaking in brake cleaner and rub it down with emery paper or your wire brush on your drill.
Okay.
Give that a good drill and shit, you know.
And give this a spray as well,
yeah,
is it?
Yeah, the caliper as well. Give that a good squirt.
What have I done here? Jesus Christ. What is the proper type of drill I should be using for this? Not one like this, anyway.
Yeah.
Probably the other one would be better, I think. So I need to take the cap off the brake fluid.
Yeah.
So just to be clear, the brake fluid is that one there.
Yep, looks like it.
Dot 4. Right, so take that off. Spanner across the front of the piston, yeah.
So you're going to put that round thing onto the spanner.
Yeah.
And then you're going to put your other bit you rewind tool into that. Clip the circle onto your rewind tool now.
Clip the what?
That thing you've just put in, the round bit.
Yeah.
Clip it onto your rewind tool again.
This contraption is the worst contraption I've ever seen in my entire life. Make sure they're the same size, is it?
Yeah.
Same size?
Like a sheet on the disc base itself.
Okay.
They put a protective coating on it to stop them going rusty in storage.
Okay.
For everything like.
Would it not have been better to clean them once I put it on?
You wouldn't be able to get to the other side so well. You can clean it later. I normally clean it at the end as well.
Okay, right, so put this on.
Yeah.
There you go. That's on.
Alright. Using the grease, we just want a smidgen of grease, only a tiny little bit, up and down that slide pin. If you pull, they should pull all the way out.
So yeah, they're coming out now.
Yeah, they're coming out now. Yeah, yeah, just pull them out.
They are.
That's it. Yeah. And the other one. And that's why your brakes were sticking, because they're seized.
Oh, that one's that one's stiff to come out. So this goes on there like that, I believe.
There will be a torque setting for them, but you haven't got a torque wrench anyway. Yeah, that's enough, mate. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. So one will go, that's the right way, so that'll go in that side. And you want to get the little tangs slide into that groove, look, yeah? And then the same on the other side. So now you know which one goes where. So you can take one out at a time now, and you can copper slip the metal plate on the back of them.
Can I not just do that there?
If you can get to it.
Yeah, I can get to it both sides.
Just give it a covering.
Can they lift it off there like that? Them in there like that. So tight, a little bit more, tight, a little bit more. We've done this side, greased all that up in there, put that bolt back on. I need to clean that off because I cleaned it with the microfiber cloth, but look at all the fucking shit on that. That's not good, and that needs cleaning off. Now on to the other side. There's a lot of rust in this one. Rust right on the top. Wow. What's that one? Right, so what I'm going to do now is because I've never bled brakes before, I'm going to ring up my stepdad again and just get him to talk me through it.
Yeah, that's it. And then the other end on there, yeah. Push that on.
Push it up and down a couple of times, please. And then crack this again, is it?
Yeah. And then tighten it back up.
Yeah. Right, and then hold it on the last one. Yeah. Yeah. So crack it open. Oh, fucker. Right, could you pump it 5 or 6 times again, please? Couple of bubbles. Okay, now do it again, please. Right, so I'm just going to try this brake and make sure it feels alright. Oh yeah, that's nice and that's nice and firm. Let's go and take it for a test run. They work great. So that right there is a job well done. Not too bad for the first time. If you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing.